Morning traders, Nick Master Trader, Market Tea Leaves here to bring our daily market buys video for Wednesday, July 10th. It's approximately 6:15 or quarter after 6 a.m. on the East Coast. We will take a look at the overnight session in Asia. Asia traded mainly low with the exception of the Hang Seng and Sensex and Singapore exchanges, which traded up somewhat. Currently right now in Europe, and is current ongoing, Europe is open trading. Europe is mainly trading low with the exception of the Milan exchange, which is higher at this particular time. Now, we're going to take a look at market correlation as it stands. US dollar is trading lower. It's been trading lower pretty much all morning long. Bonds are trading lower as well. The S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average is also trading lower. Gold is trading lower. Crude oil is trading higher. Now, if we were to take a look at economic news we have in the docket today for the U.S. markets, the big news of the day is the Fed Chair Powell will be testifying before a congressional committee in Congress at 10 a.m. this morning. Typically, this is a two-day scenario, but I think what's happening right now is the markets are sitting on their hands waiting to hear what he has to say, waiting to hear if whether or not he's going to give any hints as to what the Federal Reserve is going to do at future meetings, etc. They're going to be hanging on every single word he says, so this is going to be somewhat unpredictable in that regards, but that starts at 10 a.m. But in addition to that, we also have wholesale inventories, which is also out at 10 a.m. Crude oil inventories out at 10:30 a.m. We have a bond auction that starts at 1 o'clock this afternoon. And then we have another FOMC member speaking at 1:30, and then at 2 o'clock this afternoon, we have the FOMC meeting minutes from the party meeting that they had last month. So, all that's being said, our bias is neutral. And the reason why we're suggesting neutral bias is we're not really seeing much in the way of correlation. As an example, you see the S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average all trading lower right now. However, what we should also be seeing is the US dollar and the bonds trading higher. That's not happening. They're trading lower right now. This is definitely not a correlated market. Hence, our bias is neutral, because we feel that a lot of what's going to happen today is going to be pretty much predicated upon what Fed Chair Powell says at the congressional meeting. Could this change? Absolutely. I think it's possible in a volatile market. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.